Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change oil in Subaru Outback, updated. Start by warming the engine briefly, then turn it off to drain warm oil smoothly. Locate the oil fill cap, drain plug, and filter access. Use a jack and stands if needed for clearance. Replace the drain washer, install the new filter, and refill with the correct oil to the specified level. Check for leaks and reset the maintenance indicator. Before removing anything, loosen the oil fill cap to help the oil flow more freely during draining. Place the drain pan under the oil pan and remove the drain plug, watching for hot oil and debris. Let the oil drain until it slows to intermittent drops, so most old oil leaves the system. Clean the drain area and fit a new crush washer before reinstalling the plug and tightening to the proper torque. Quick recommendation: if you are waiting while oil drains, try Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your car smelling great during maintenance. It's a simple pick that makes the garage time more pleasant and keeps cabin odors at bay after a service. If that sounds useful, subscribe and like to support more hands-on car tips, and check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Use a filter wrench to remove the old oil filter, keeping the drain pan beneath to catch spills, and inspect the old filter for metal particles. Prime the new filter by adding a little oil to its gasket and screw it on by hand until snug, then follow torque guidance. Refill the engine with the recommended oil volume, check the dipstick level, run the engine for a minute, then recheck the level and inspect for leaks.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.